Hello students, today we are going to start with a very important topic, that is parturition and lactation. Parturition means to labor. That is delivery or expulsion of fully developed fetus from the vagina or through cervical canal, that is birth canal, after gestation period. After the complete of gestation period, जब gestation period complete होगा, gestation period, the period of pregnancy of the 9 months प्लस माइनस 7 days, मीन्स 9 मंथ से 7 days कम भी हो सकते हैं, ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. दे आर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 280 days. और ये कहाँ कब से काउंट करना शुरू करते हैं हम? फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द लास्ट मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल से स्टार्ट करेंगे जेस्टेशन पीरियड में. एंड देन डिलीवरी ऑफ फुली डेवलप्ड फीटस आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ दिस जेस्टेशन पीरियड इज नोन एज parturition. This parturition involves neuroendocrine mechanism. This is neuroendocrine mechanism means it involves brain as well as hormones. The role of brain and hormone is very important during the parturition. And one more thing, fetal ejection reflex occurs during parturition. Fetus ejection reflex means the start of parturition is initiated by the fetus itself. Fetus itself, when become fully developed, started the process of parturition, that is ejection. That is fetus started the process of ejection, and it is reflex. Reflex means involuntary action that is not under the control of the mother itself. So it is fetal ejection reflex. Actually what happens कि जब fetus just during gestation period develop कर रहा है, and during the late phase of the means the third trimester of the pregnancy, the fetus rotates itself in a uterus, and that during that rotation at the end of that gestation period, fetus का जो head है, it is towards the cervix. And when it started ejection or the parturition, fetal ejection reflex started, the head of the fetus put itself in the cervical canal and tries to come out. That is fetal ejection reflex. Now we will see the stages of the parturition. First, during the first stage of parturition, dilation occur. Dilation means mild contraction of uterus and vagina by fetus. Fetus is due to fetus ejection reflex. When the head of the fetus is towards the cervical canal, the mild contraction occur in the uterine wall and the cervix. Here in the cervix of the female by the fetus. That is called dilation. Due to that dilation, the pituitary gland become active because of the muscles contraction, uterine muscles contraction. The pituitary gland become active, and pituitary gland start releasing an hormone, oxytocin, the very important hormone. It is also known as love making hormone or a love hormone, emotional hormone or feeling hormone. Now when the pituitary start releasing an hormone oxytocin, then stage 2 occur, that is expulsion. During this expulsion, oxytocin is released from the pituitary gland, that increases the muscle and cervical contraction so that fetus can easily come out. That's why this oxytocin is also known as birth hormone. And it also causes ovary to release prostaglandin, and these prostaglandin further increases the contraction so that fetus again can come out. Both oxytocin and prostaglandin, oxytocin released by the pituitary gland and prostaglandin released by the ovary, contracts the muscles of the cervix as well as uterus so that fetus can be easily expelled out from the body through vagina and birth occur. So during the first stage जब dilation हो रही है mild contraction की वजह से the fetus is inside the amniotic cavity, in the amniotic cavity filled with amniotic fluid. So first signal of the parturition is when dilation start, that amnion burst. Amnion burst होगी तो क्या release होगा? Amniotic fluid from the vagina of a female. So first signal of the parturition or the delivery of a child is release of amniotic fluid from the vagina. And when expulsion occur, oxytocin and prostaglandin are there because is the high contraction of the uterus. Due to high contraction of the uterus, the female or the mother feel pain, and that pain is called labor pain. That's why the parturition term is given here. Labor means parturition and labor means pains that leads to the pain due to contraction of muscles of uterus and cervix. And ultimately and finally due to expulsion, the birth occur and the placenta is cut from the near the umbilical region of the fetus, and ultimately the fetus is born or child. Now after birth, that fetus is called child. Now that child starts crying. Why so? किसी भी चाइल्ड का जब बर्थ हो रहा है तो वो क्राई क्यों कर रहा है? द रीजन इज अभी बर्थ से पहले बिफोर प्लासेंटा कटिंग. प्लासेंटा कटिंग मीन्स अ टाइम ऑफ birth. That time is noted as a birth time. Now before that birth, fetus is carrying the oxygen or the nutrients via the placenta and coming directly into the blood. But now that fetus has to breathe in through the lungs. अब वो breathe, जैसे प्लेसेंटा कट होगा, बर्थ होगा, fetus को ऑक्सीजन इनहेल करनी होगी, ब्रीथ करना होगा. जब वो ब्रीथ करेगा तो जो उसके लंग्स हैं वो जो ऑलरेडी पहले से बिल्कुल रिलैक्स फॉर्म में थे, नाउ दे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड मस्कुलर मूवमेंट होगी, ही फील पेन और फीटस के चाइल्ड को पेन होगा एंड स्टार्ट क्राइंग. सो दिस इज अ रीजन कि कोई भी चाइल्ड आफ्टर बर्थ सबसे पहले क्राई करेगा, और अगर वो क्राई नहीं कर रहा है, हमने बहुत सारी मूवीज में देखा है कि अगर वो क्राई नहीं कर रहा है तो हम क्या कंसिडर करते हैं? द फीटस इज अलाइव. वो लाइव नहीं है, वो डेड है. रीजन इज बिकॉज वो ब्रीथ इन नहीं कर पा रहा है, क्योंकि अगर वो ब्रीथिंग करेगा तो उसके लंग्स में पेन होगी एंड फिर चाइल्ड विल डेफिनेटली क्राई. नाउ the birth occur, and now the third stage, that is called after birth. Now slowly after the birth of the fetus develops, comes out known as child. After the birth, the cervic muscles and the uterine muscles tries to come back in a normal size, shrinks, and the placental tissue and umbilical region, umbilical cord and amnion or the leftover endometrium, that is quite large endometrium is there for the 9 months, that comes out from the vagina and the released out in the form of blood and mucus and some tissues of the placenta also, and leads to heavy bleeding. These are the afterbirth effect, and slowly the uterus and cervix comes to their normal place. See, these are the events of the parturition. Parturition means the delivery or the expulsion of child, and that involves fetal ejection reflex, very important, and neuroendocrine mechanism. This is all about the parturition. Now we will study lactation. So let's start lactation. Lactation means to nourish the newly born child. न्यूली बॉर्न चाइल्ड को नरिश करना विद द मिल्क रिलीज फ्रॉम द मेमरी ग्लैंड्स ऑफ द फीमेल. नाउ हाउ दैट मिल्क इज रिलीज फ्रॉम द मेमरी ग्लैंड? दीज आर मेमरी ग्लैंड्स. Here mammary glands are there. A pair of mammary glands are present in a female. During the late phase of the pregnancy, pituitary gland releases an hormone prolactin. Pituitary gland कौन सा हार्मोन रिलीज कर रही है? Prolactin. This is milk producing hormone. Milk producing hormone. Prolactin activates the mammary gland. Mammary gland increases in size and become active, and they start producing the milk. But milk is not ejected out. They only produce the milk, and when this parturition occurs, and during parturition, oxytocin hormone is released. This hormone is called birth hormone as well as milk hormone, love hormone plus feeling hormone. This oxytocin causes milk ejection only after parturition. When this parturition occurs, oxytocin is released, parturition occurs simultaneously. At the same time, it causes contraction of the muscles, smooth muscles of a mammary gland also, that start releasing the ejection of milk also occur. And one more psychological concept is there. ये माना जाता है कि oxytocin hormone increases its production when fetus child starts crying. कि it is an emotional hormone, feeling hormone, कि जैसे ही fetus का child birth हो रहा है, वो child है, अब चाइल्ड का बर्थ हो रहा है और वो रोना स्टार्ट करेगा, व्हेन ही क्राइज, जैसे ही वो रोएगा तो ये ऑक्सीटॉक्सिन का हार्मोन मदर के अंदर ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, एज इट इज़ रिलीज फ्रॉम द पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड बिकॉज ऑफ द फीलिंग्स. इसका कंटेंट ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, इसका अमाउंट इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से ये मेमोरी ग्लैंड पे एक्ट करेगा और मेमोरी ग्लैंड्स की स्मूथ मसल को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कराएगा. दैट कॉजेज मिल्क इजेक्शन. नाउ व्हाई द टर्म मिल्क इज यूज्ड? Why mammary gland releases milk? Because the nutrited fluid released from the mammary gland is rich in lactose, and lactose is called milk sugar, and some fats, other minerals, and small amount of vitamin C. Major content is of lactose, that's why it is called milk. And one more thing, one more term is there, colostrum. During the starting of activation of mammary gland after the parturition, for first 2 or 3 days, a yellowish color fluid is released known as colostrum, that is rich in immunoglobulin A, IgA, immunoglobulin alpha, that provide passive immunity. And it is considered कि this colostrum is very very important for the growth of the child, because अगर colostrum उसे मिलेगा, उसे IgA मिलेंगी, that provides immunity, passive immunity, और child को बहुत सारी diseases से fight करने की capability मिलेगी. And after 2 or 3 days, lactose rich fluid is released, that is known as milk. And this is all about the parturition and lactation. Thank you.